the new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Your friends chillin', day and night for days on end. Now you can't come see me tonight. Say you ain't got the time. I'm the last one you prioritize. Peeping your IG pictures on my phone. I won't spend another night at home. Okay, I'ma just be on my way. You'll see I'm not the one you take for granted, babe. I know that life can be busy, love. You make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you are interested in the details, the specs, and all the good stuff about this wig, then please continue to watch. Okay, so this unit was sent to me by Ft.Beautyforever Hair. Shout out to you, Beautyforever, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. This unit, as you guys can see, is a headband wig. Like, girl, I don't care what you say, your girl still is feeling the headband wigs. Okay, so let's just get into it. So the unit that I am wearing is the Ft.Beautyforever Glueless Water Wave Headband Wig, Brazilian Scarf Wig, Remy Human Hair Wigs for women, beginner friendly. And what's more beginner friendly than a headband wig, child? If you're not used to wigs, headband wigs is a good start, okay? It just is. Okay, so it says the specifications. It has on here, Ft.Beautyforever is the brand. The origin is CN origin. Material grade Remy hair, texture water wave. Okay, so I want you guys to be mindful of that. Now I'm trying to see what inches that they have available. Okay, so the inches that they have available in this unit is 8 inches to 26 inches. This unit does ship from either the United States or China. You can pick, and it does come in a natural color, and this is a water wave wig. Now I don't see the density of this unit, and honestly I can't really gauge it. It feels like 180 and it looks like 180, but it could be 150, just because sometimes with curly wigs they just seem like more hair. I don't know why, but they just do. But I will say it feels and looks like 150 in my opinion. Now, I also want to mention when it comes to water wave, they are really lightweight. Even though it looks like a lot of hair, and it is, because if I'm not mistaken, this wig that I have is 26 inches. It looks like a lot of hair, but it's super, super lightweight. And that's one of my favorite things about the water wave units. Like if you're wondering, like if I should get body wave, or if I should get like a curly, or you know, whatever type, deep curly, deep wave, whatever. If you're looking for something that's really lightweight but looks full, that is my favorite thing about the water wave wigs. I've noticed that they just always feel really, really lightweight in my opinion. They also kind of give that look. I don't know if you guys remember, and I always say that about these particular units. They give that. Do you remember when we used to wear the micro braids and they had wet and wavy? That is the look, the vibe that these sort of units give me. It just looks really like a wet and wavy back in the Disney. You guys know, okay? If we here, girl, okay? That is the vibe that the water wave units give me. And that's how this unit feels. Now, as far as tangling, there is no tangling. Now, with shedding, I have been getting some strands here and there. It's not crazy, it's not excessive, but I do want to go ahead and mention that when I run my fingers through it, I do get a strand or two. So I want to just keep it a whole buck. It's not a big deal to me. It's not an issue, but I want you guys to know. So honey, later on, somebody don't come at me and be like, she said it didn't shed and I got 2-3 strands in my hand. I want you guys to know, Disastrous Beauty said that you may get a strand or two. It's just not excessive, and it's nothing like that's an issue for me, but it may be an issue for you, so I always like to point that out. This particular cap does come with 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and it does come with that elastic headband thing. And I always say that the headband wigs, in my opinion, are one size fits all. Like I feel like whether your head is really, really small or really, really big, you can make a headband wig work. That's just my opinion. I do personally wear an average cap size, and I have that elastic band, just like, you know what I'm saying? So I don't know what to say, so do with that what you want to do with it. Now, if you are interested in how I feel about this particular headband wig, as well as a full 360 and a lint check, then please continue. Okay, so if you know me and you've been watching me, then you already know your girl be feeling the headband wigs. I got a lot of stuff to do today. Today is my baby's birthday. My son is turning 10 today, so I was initially going to review a different wig, and then I was like, let me see if I got a headband wig over here that I need to do, because it's just easy to throw on and review, and that is my favorite thing about the headband wigs. I can just throw old girl on and be gone out here in these streets. Okay, I can tell y'all what I think about it, take my pictures, and be out here in these streets. And that was just kind of what I was looking for today, especially because I had a lot going on. And the convenience factor is one of my favorite things about the headband wigs. Like, if you just need to run somewhere real quick, you got stuff to do real quick, and you still want to be cute, headband wigs is where it's at, girl. Okay, that is just like I said, my favorite thing about it. It's great for moms. It's great for people that are just kind of on the go. If you're in college or in school and working, throw on a headband wig and keep it moving, girl. Keep it pushing. If you got them braids in your head, you know, them jailhouse braids, girl. We all know the braids, like Queen Latifah set it off, honey, up underneath our wigs. If you got that going on, you can throw on a headband wig and keep it moving, keep pushing, without having to do a whole lot of work. So that is one of my favorite things about the headband wig. It is also really, really beginner friendly, as I mentioned earlier before. It's just really, really beginner friendly. If you're not used to wearing wigs, like when I first started wearing wigs and was trying to figure out things and how I can make stuff work, blah, blah, blah. Child, I wish there was a headband wig, because, honey, those pictures back in the day when I first started wearing wigs was a whole hot mess, okay? Because I didn't know what I was doing. The good thing about that is back then, all of us was looking kind of crazy, you know what I'm saying? So it was cool. But right now, you know, everybody's hair is just like laid. Like, everybody's laid, okay? So with the headband wig, and you're just now starting to wear wigs and you don't want to look crazy out here in these streets, it's really, really easy to style a headband wig. So that is like the best thing for a beginner. And yeah, I am really feeling this unit. I love the length. I love that it's waterway. Like, y'all, these is inches, honey. And it's not heavy. It's not heavy whatsoever. Like, it looks like a lot, but it's not heavy. And that is, like I stated, one of my favorite things about water wave units in general. And yeah, y'all, I'm feeling it. It's a vibe, it's a look, it's all of the things in my Brittany Vaughn voice. Okay, check out Brittany Vaughn, girl, because I be stealing all her little catch sayings. I watch her so much that eventually, you know, you just start stealing people's stuff because you watch them too much, y'all. That's how me and Brittany are. But anyways, y'all, I'm feeling it. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and a lint check, and we can wrap this thing all the way. Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is where it comes to me. Keep in mind, I am 5'4", so I'm not very tall. So it comes pretty long. And this is it on the right side. So just once again, be mindful that I am not a really, really tall girl. She's just not, okay? I am 5'4", so it just depends on your own height. If you're shorter than me, it's going to be longer. If you're taller than me, it's going to be shorter. So just be mindful of that. And yeah, y'all, that is it. If you are interested in this wig, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out to Ft.Beautyforever Hair for sponsoring this video. I truly appreciate it. And yeah, girl, we're done. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button, sis. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Health to Missy on Snapchat. And I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.